Welcome in the booth of Corghi USA. Today we will show you Master 28. So we have here a nice lift where we can pull up the wheel. So you block the wheel in the central way without grips. Then we put the inches and all the tools are already in the position. I break the thread. We have here a very low profile tire which is 20 bar. Going outside with the finger, then we break the underbead very easy with the mirror, which I can see. After that I enter with the finger without touching the rim. I bring the sensor to the right position and the finger goes back and also is moving the rim. So then we go on the top and from under we take out the second bead. We are finished. So mounting, we put a little bit paste on the tire, glue, take the tire like this. Also here we don't touch the rim, take the bead presser to that side and the tire is already mounted. If you need more information about the Master 28 and our products, please contact Maris Tires, Sales Rep Corghi USA.